Welcome. Thank you. Have a seat. Sure. How are you doing today? I'm fine. Thanks for asking. So today we are going to talk about Duha and her progress in school and how she's doing at Teachers Academy, and just catch you up on a few things that will be going on for the next few weeks.
Sure.
Duha is she is very independent. She's very sweet and very positive. Every time she walks in through TA, she's like, "Good morning," good morning back to you, and she's just wonderful to have in class. Now, if we look over here, this is her grades from the senior year. So she's a senior this year, and this is her last grade, which is on September the 15th. And this is the student passport, which is this right here. Because every Wednesday, each of our seniors go out to tutoring. So she goes to the Corning Elementary. So she has her own lesson book where every Wednesday after tutoring, she has to write down the praxis domains of what's happening in her classroom. It can be positive or negative. They're over here. We have practice domain. We will be typing up 19 essays of each one. It'll be 2 to 3 pages. Myself and Ms. Behrens, her English teacher, also a state corrector, will also grade them and make sure that they are perfect to go so she can get a good grade. So these are her passport for her tutoring. This is for her to get around the school, so she'll be there all year long until it's time for her to graduate from high school. And down here are the extra credit. She only got 1, which is good, but overall she got a good grade, as you can tell right here. Do you know what college Duha's planning to attend?
She's interested in music.
Do you know what field she's going in?
Teaching.
Teaching. Okay. So over here, she was telling me about like the admissions and all the information that you have to do to apply and try to get in. So over here, that's how you start, and they give you what you have to bring in. Yeah. So the ACT, SAT, apply time. Make sure that it's before the deadline, because if it's before the deadline, she'll be on a waiting list, or it's like 50-50. Maybe she'll go in, maybe she won't. But I know Duha, she'll get it before the deadline comes in. These are all the information. She was just telling me how she really wants to go to UC, and hopefully she'll get in with all your support and your help, and definitely help with Ms. Behrens with English. I do not have any discipline with Duha. She is very, very nice and outgoing. She kind of gets a little bit feisty at sometimes,
Tell me about it.
but it's okay, because she has to get her classmates back into the real world. We have to focus and make sure that we're doing what we're supposed to do. Okay, and then over here, we are tomorrow is our rough draft for C5. C5 is use of time, and we have to see how can we manage our time in the classroom without wasting it, because every minute counts when you're in the classroom with your students. For example, if I am in my desk and all my students walk in and I'm on my phone, am I wasting their time and not teaching them? Yes, because once the bell rings, it's my turn. They sit in their seats, they're quiet, and it's my turn. So I can't waste any minutes of it. Then this is the in-depth checking list. This is where I'm going to be looking for these, and also the bullet points that we all wrote down as a class at the back of the whiteboard. So hopefully she'll have all of this down. We will check it with Ms. Behrens, her English teacher, and then we're going to come back, I believe Monday and Tuesday, we're going to indent them. So we can definitely give them a copy to myself, Ms. Behrens, make sure that they're good to go for the state to correct them for us. Also, this is her time in sheet and out sheet. So every time she walks into her tutoring building, she has to make sure she puts the date, the time she got in her classroom, and the time she got out.